Doing good. What can I help you with today?
Yes, I would like 17 White Castles, please.
17 white, what?
17 White Castles.
Would you like with the peanuts or with the hamburger?
I would like that with peanuts.
Do you like white peanuts or do you want the Indian peanuts?
Like what?
I said, do you want the white peanuts or the Indian peanuts?
You said you want to suck my penis.
I said, your mama wants to suck my peanuts. Nigga, I didn't say peanuts. I said, do you want Indian peanuts or white peanuts?
You know you're a crackhead, right?
What?
You're a crackhead?
Bitch, I say you're from a crackhead. Come outside, nigga. I'm in the parking lot.
You're a crackhead?
Yeah, ask your mama.
Ask my mama if you're a crackhead?
Yeah.
Well, that must be pretty sad if you ain't got nothing else better than a prank call. You're just wasting your life, so I bet you're a crackhead.
What?
You heard me?
What?
You heard me?
What? Hey,
I said you're a crackhead.
why are you calling me, motherfucker? I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call.
Prank call places.
What?
Are you deaf?
Yes, motherfucker. I fuck you, man. What you want, nigga?
Get the dick out of your ear. You wouldn't be so deaf.
Bitch, I got your mama's pussy. She's hairy, man. Yeah, motherfucking in the rednecks, motherfuckers. Get a fucking real job. Get out of the White Castle, nigga. Go work in the company.
Go work for where?
Company, nigga, you deaf?
Do what?
I do your mom, that's what. What are you calling me for?
Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
Where do you work?
I work for your mom.
You work for my mom?
Yeah, I'm her pimp.
You're okay.
Yes.
You want a real job?
Nah, I don't want flip cheeseburgers like you, man.
$5 an hour if you sit on your knees and do some little things for me.
Bitch, you work in White Castle. How you gonna tell me something, nigga? I need to talk to your manager, man. I tell him you sexually harassed me. I want $1 million. Everything that you said was being recorded. What? Hello?
Where you from?
I'm from China.
Where?
From China.
Where?
China.
What you said? Where you from?
China, nigga.
Say that again.
China. China. You want me to spell it to you?
You said you're from China.
Yes. Xing xing China. China na na.
Are you gay?
I'm gay. You gonna give me some booty?
A lot of Chinese people have little wieners.
What?
I said I heard you have a little wiener.
How would you know, man? Did you fuck any Chinese guys?
Your girlfriend told me.
Wow. Is that the bitch in the background? Hey, put that girl on the phone. Let me talk to her. Then I'll tell y'all who this is. You...
Hey, Sexy.
Can I help you?
How you doing?
You don't know how I'm doing.
You doing okay?
Do what?
Are you doing okay?
No, who is this?
Man, y'all know me. I work with y'all. And y'all gonna tell me who this is.
Who is this?
Hey, you shave?
Excuse me?
I say you shave your legs?
Dude, I will smack the crap out of you.
Hey, come outside. I'm in the red Mazda sitting outside. Come outside.
I didn't come outside for you.
Come outside. I'm in the red car, red Mazda.
No,
Why?
because I said.
Why? You don't want to see me?
No? Who is this?
You know me. I work with you.
Okay, you may work with me, but I'm not who you are.
Guess.
That's normal now.
Guess who this? Guess who's this? Hey, hold on, nigga. Hold on. Hello. Evo me kod Belomira. Zato što
radimo prank call, jedan hajdanlak. Prank call. Okej. Dobro, bola, pričat ćemo kasnije, sad snima kamera. Ciao.
Why would you tell your mom, dude?
So? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Where you at?
I'm in the parking lot. I'm sitting in a red Mazda.
Sitting in a red Mazda in the parking lot. Are you sure?
100%.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go out to the parking lot and check real quick.
Alright, come on. I'll show you something too on the way.
Who is this?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
I'm gonna hang up if you're telling me who this is.
You guess and I'll tell you if you're the strongest, sir.
Kiss my ass.
Oh, I would love to do that.
She hang up.
I got her number for the man.
I sto più adrati da sledeće.
Now I'm doing a start to say.
Koliko stati? No, koliko stati?